बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। So class, this is our lecture number 1 on chapter number 15, electrical measuring instrument, and in this lecture I am going to solve the problems on the conversion of galvanometer into an ammeter and all BIE past problem on an ammeter. So class, these are the numericals which I am going to solve in this chapter. It contains almost, as you can see, 17 numericals in this chapter and formula of resistivity, sensitivity, resistance, shunt resistance and high resistance. So in the lecture number 1 I am going to solve the problems on the conversion of galvanometer into an ammeter. Okay, so these are the problems. Almost 5 problems are over there. So first of all I am discussing what is galvanometer. As you can see, galvanometer is a device which is used to detect or measure a very small amount of current, but finally it detects the amount of current only. So it consists of, you can see, it has a dial, concave pole magnets and a coil and a spiral spring, and a coil is mounted on an iron cylinder which is pivoted so it can rotate when current is passing through the coil of. Okay, this is another diagram of the animation diagram. Here you can see we use the concave pole of the permanent magnet so that its electromagnetic field will become radial. Okay, this is another animated diagram of the motion of the galvanometer coil. When current is passing through the coil, galvanometer coil rotates. As a result, its dial or its pointer rotate on the dial. So this is so-called the galvanometer. It has two terminals, black negative terminal and red one is the positive terminal. Okay, so now I am going to discuss the equation that how can we convert galvanometer into an ammeter. So as you know that galvanometer can be converted into an ammeter by connecting a small resistance shunt in the parallel with the galvanometer. Then this whole device is equivalent to ammeter. तो गैल्वानोमीटर को एमीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमें एक स्मॉल रेजिस्टेंस शंट कनेक्ट करनी पड़ती है. ये शंट रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू निकालने का तरीक़ेकार होता है. उसकी इक्वेशन क्या है? आर एस इज इक्वल टू आई जी आर जी डिवाइड बाई आई माइनस आई जी, वेयर वी जी इज इक्वल टू आई जी आर जी. वी इज इक्वल टू आई आई यानी कि ओम्स लॉ की तहमत से हम गैल्वानोमीटर के अक्रॉस जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है उसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. वी जी इज इक्वल टू आई जी आर जी. सो हेयर आई जी मीन्स फुल और मैक्सिमम स्केल डिफ्लेक्शन करंट इन द galvanometer, or we can also say that full current through the galvanometer. But in the numerical you are provided with this word, full or maximum scale deflection of the current in the galvanometer. Vg is the full scale deflection potential difference across the galvanometer. Vg जो है फुल स्केल डिफ्लेक्शन पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कहलाएगा. वो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस जिस पे galvanometer फुल फाइनल मैक्सिमम रीडिंग तक डिफ्लेक्ट हो जाए. Rg is the resistance of the galvanometer. I is called the range of an ammeter if you want to convert a galvanometer into a desired value of ammeter. So that amount of current is called range I. And V is the range of a voltmeter. Okay. Now note down all this formula and their specification carefully. ये बात याद रहे कि आई जी का मतलब फुल स्केल डिफ्लेक्शन करंट होता है इन द गैल्वानोमीटर. ओके, एंड वी जी जो है फुल स्केल डिफ्लेक्शन पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, यानी वो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस या वो करंट जिस पे गैल्वानोमीटर बिल्कुल अपनी लास्ट रीडिंग पे चला जाए. So this is a device or an emitter. Here you can see it's a milliammeter from 0 to 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. सो इट्स लीस्ट काउंट 0 से 20 तक की जो डिवीज़न है वो आपके पास द सिस्टम में डिवाइड है, तो ये 0 के बाद जो पहला डिवीज़न आएगा वो 2 उसका होगा, 2 मिली एम्पेयर का होगा. हेयर ब्लैक इज़ नेगेटिव एज यू कैन सी इन द डायग्राम एंड द रेड वन इज़ द पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द मिली एमीटर. Okay, now it's our first problem. A galvanometer has a resistance of 60 ohms, deflect full scale for a difference of potential 100 millivolt across its terminal. What shunt resistance must be connected to convert into an emitter of 5 ampere range? Okay, here RS is equal to shunt resistance 0.02 ohms. So here you have to convert a galvanometer into an emitter. So you have to connect a shunt resistance in parallel with the galvanometer. So in the data, the resistance of galvanometer is 60 ohms and it deflects full scale potential difference. Full scale potential difference means VG is 100 millivolt, divided by 100 it will become 0.1 volt, and by the help of RG and VG you can determine IG by the help of Ohm's law. IG is equal to VG upon RG, so it will become 0.0016 ampere. I is the range of an emitter, so emitter of the 5 ampere range you have to determine its shunt resistance. I जो है यहाँ पर 5 ampere है and you have to determine shunt resistance RS. So using in the solution, using formula of RS, we know that equation of shunt RS is equal to IG RG divided by I minus IG. By placing their values, our answer will become RS is equal to 0.02 ohms. So by connecting 0.02 ohms in that 60 ohm galvanometer, our galvanometer is converted into 5 ampere emitter, 5 ampere range emitter. ओके, तो अगर हम 0.02 ohms का रेजिस्टेंस शंट रेजिस्टेंस गैल्वानोमीटर के कॉइल के साथ पैरेलल कनेक्ट कर दें तो वो 5 एम्पियर रेंज का एमीटर बन जाएगा. Note down it quickly and carefully. Now in the problem number 2, it's also similar to the last problem. So here the galvanometer has a resistance of 50 ohms, that is RG is 50 ohms, deflect full scale current. Full scale deflection current means IG, that is 10 milliampere. A shunt of 0.05 ohm is connected, that is RS is given over there 0.05 ohm, and you have to convert into an emitter. Okay, find the range of an emitter. So range of an emitter means I you have to find out. In the solution, using equation of shunt resistance, RS is equal to IG RG divided by I minus IG. Now separate this or equate this equation for I. Here we cross multiply this equation. Now divide IG on the left hand side. So I will become equal to IG RG divided by RS plus IG. By placing their values, so I will become 10.01 ampere. Okay. Okay, now in problem number 3. So here an emitter or a galvanometer deflects full scale with a voltage of 2.5 volts and has a total resistance of 0.5 ohms. What small resistance must be connected to measure 20 ampere full scale? Okay, so here you are provided. तो यहाँ पे सवाल में बेटा आपको एक एमीटर दिया गया है जो कि आपकी डिज़ायर वैल्यू में एमीटर नहीं है. अब आपको उसको अपनी डिज़ायर्ड रेंज में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए एक उसके साथ शंट रेजिस्टेंस और लगानी पड़ेगी ताकि वो आपकी डिज़ायर्ड एमीटर की वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट हो जाए. सो है यू हैव टू कंसीडर दिस एमीटर, यानी योर ओल्ड एमीटर, यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस ओल्ड एमीटर इनटू न्यू एमीटर ऑफ 520 एम्पियर रेंज. So for this you have to consider this emitter word as a galvanometer. So in the data, let Rg is 0.5 ohms, Vg is 2.5 volt, and Ig is equal to 5 ampere, and the range of new emitter is 20 ampere, and R shunt resistance is equal to question mark. You have to find out shunt resistance. So in the solution, using equation of Rs by placing their values, the answer will become 0.016 ohms. ओके क्लास, सो यहाँ पे इन्होंने गैल्वानोमीटर के बजाय वर्ड जो है वो एमीटर यूज़ किया है, यानी कि पहले आपके पास एक एमीटर बना लिया है आपने, लेकिन वो आपकी डिज़ायर्ड एमीटर की रेंज में नहीं आ रहा। मतलब इन्होंने जो एमीटर बनाया है वो 5 एम्पेयर तक करंट को मेजर कर रहा था, लेकिन हम चाह रहे हैं कि 20 एम्पेयर में आ जाए, तो हम इस एमीटर वर्ड को गैल्वानोमीटर मानना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि दोबारा उसके अंदर हमें एक और सीरीज़ में पैरेलल में एक रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्ट करनी पड़ेगी, शंट रेजिस्टेंस। तो हम इस वर्ड को यहाँ पे गैल्वानोमीटर का डेटा मानते हुए आगे बढ़ेंगे। ओके, कीप इन माइंड। Okay, now class, our next problem is problem number 4. It has come in 2005. It's little bit a lengthy numerical. So in this numerical, in the data, a maximum 50 milliampere current is allowed to flow through a 19.8 ohm coil of galvanometer. So Rg is 19.8 and its Ig is 50 milliampere. Okay, and the range of an ammeter is 5 ampere. You have to convert into a 5 ampere maximum current range. Calculate the length of a copper wire. So you have to find out the length of a copper wire, but shunt resistance is also unknown over there, and you are also provided with the diameter of a wire is 4 millimeter of that shunt resistance, and its specific resistance is 1.68 exponent minus 8 ohm meter. Okay, so in the solution, first of all, applying the equation of shunt resistance. So Rs is equal to IgRg divided by I minus Ig. By placing their values, Rs will become 0.2 ohms. But the second thing you have to find is the length of the shunt resistance or the copper wire. So for length, you know the fundamental formula of resistance, that is R is equal to rho L over A. So here area is in the form of cylinder, so we use pi r square. एरिया यहाँ पे पाई आर स्क्वायर यूज़ किया जाएगा, क्योंकि एरिया जो है वो हमारे पास एक सिलेंडर यानी कि कॉपर वायर का है, और वायर एक सिलेंडर की शक्ल में होता है। जो हमने शंट लगा है वो कॉपर वायर लगा है यहाँ पर। ओके, सो इक्वेट दिस इक्वेशन फॉर एल पाई आर स्क्वायर आर एस डिवाइड बाय रो by putting their values. So length of shunt resistance will become 157.1 meter. Okay, is that clear? So this is the last problem of the lecture number 1, conversion of galvanometer into an ammeter. Problem number 5. So an ammeter deflects full scale with a current of 5 ampere, that is, and has a total resistance 0.5 ohm. So here Rg is 0.5 ohm. Its full scale deflection current Ig is 5 ampere, and what shunt resistance must be connected to measure full scale up to 30 ampere range. So its range is 30 ampere. You have to convert this galvanometer into an ammeter. So here shunt resistance Rs is, you have to find out. Keep in mind that IG always very less than as compared to I. IG हमेशा I से बहुत कम आएगा. इसी तरीके से VG भी जो है वो V से बहुत कम आएगा. By using equation of the shunt resistance, RS is equal to IG RG divided by I minus IG. By putting their values, you will get your answer, that is 0.1 ohms. Okay, it's a simple numerical. So okay class, so this is the end of this lecture number 1. Here we have completed our conversion of galvanometer into an ammeter. If you have any problem, any query, you can ask me on my email. Class, thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.